Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the app is current and you're signed in. Once done, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left, then the gear to open settings. You do this because older versions can keep showing outdated presence indicators. Now find the privacy section, you'll act there. This gets you straight to the toggles that control how and when Snapchat shows you as online, so you can change only what's necessary without disrupting other features. Next, go to Manage or Privacy Settings and switch off See My Activity status. That stops your active indicator. Then open Snap Map and enable Ghost Mode or change location visibility to only these friends if you want selective sharing. If particular people still see you, remove or restrict them from your friends list. That prevents direct visibility. You do each step because activity and map location are separate systems. To finish, clear the app cache in Settings and restart Snapchat so changes take effect. Then log out and back in. If the online indicator persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove stale data. Make sure both you and your friends are on the latest Snapchat version because presence can be client-driven. If it still shows online for someone, ask that friend to update their app or check from another account. Often the issue is on their device rather than yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.